Hey everyone, welcome back. So if you really want to do unlimited number of voiceover using AI, then what you have to do, first of all, you have to go to the Google Chrome and here you have to search for clipchamp. Okay. After that, here you can see this is the first link, clipchamp quick and easy video editor, right? So just click on it and make it open. All right. Then it will take you to this particular page. Over here, you can see options called as the sign in, right? So just click on this sign in button first. And click on continue with Google and select any Gmail ID from here. Alright. Then click on this continue button. Alright. Then click any one of this. Let me click on educations, then click on school. And right now here you can see we have successfully logged in into the clipchamp.com by the help of our Gmail ID. Right. So in this way, first of all, you have to log in into this particular website. Alright. Then after login, what you have to do, you have to click on this create a new video option. Alright. Then it will take you to this particular page over here where we are going to do all the editing part of our audio or video. Alright. Then in the left hand side, you can see a options called as the record and create. Right. So just click over here. Then scroll down and in the below part, you can see a option called as the text to speech. Alright. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you can see a options called as the new text to speech over here. And in the right hand side, you can see different options like language, voice, and the text space. So in place of the language, just click on this drop down and here you can see we have so many different languages are there. Suppose I am from India. So here you can see this is Hindi India, right? And if you scroll off, then you can see the options called as the English India as well. Here you can see, right? Likewise, you can see different language over here. So you can choose according to your need. Alright, so let me choose the Hindi India. Let me click on it. And then the next option is voice, right? So in place of voice, if you click on this drop down in the below part, you can see two options. One is for Madhur and another is for Sarah, right? So let me select Sarah from here. Then click on this play button and you can hear how the voice is, right? So let me click here.
साझा करने योग्य कहानी बनाने में आपकी मदद करने के लिए विभिन्न ध्वनियों में से चुनें।
Likewise, again, if you click on this drop down, then here you can select the Madhur and again you can click on this play button.
साझा करने योग्य कहानी बनाने में आप
Okay, so let me select here as Sarah. Alright. Then the next is here you can see a option called as the advanced setting, right? So just click over here and from here vocal pitch you can select different options. So if I will click on this drop down button, here you can see we have different options. If I will click on medium and then if I will click on this play button,
साझा करने योग्य कहानी बनाने में आपकी मदद
you can see the piece is different, right? Let me again click on here and apart from medium, if I will click on high, then if I will click on this button,
साझा करने योग्य कहानी बना
you can see the voice is changing, right? So as per your need, you can select anyone from here. Okay, let me select the medium, then close this one and this is the text section. So in place of this text section, what you have to do, you have to go to the Google Chrome and you can search for any particular story. Then just copy the text from here. Alright, then go to this clipchamp and here just paste that code over here. Alright, and remember here you can do the voiceover maximum duration is 10 minutes. Alright, so if you want to do voiceover for more than 10 minutes, then you have to do the same thing again and again. Alright. So now you can see another options called as the preview, right? So just click over here and you can listen how the voice is. Alright, so let me click here.
एक बार की बात है, बीरबल दरबार में मौजूद नहीं थे। इसी बात का फायदा उठाकर कुछ मंत्रीगण बीरबल के खिलाफ महाराज अकबर के कान भरने लगे।
Got it, right? So in this way you can write any number of text over here, but the duration must be less than 10 minutes. But don't worry, you can do the same thing again and again. Alright, after doing this, click on this save button, then click on this export button. Then select anyone from here. So let me select 480p because we need the voice only, we do not need the video. So just click over here. Then here you can see the processing has already been started. So just wait for a few seconds. Here you can see our video has already been downloaded successfully, right? So just click here. Then drag this video and drop it over any particular video editing software. Okay, so I have open the Wonders app Filmora. Apart from this, if you don't have any Filmora software, you can take any other software, or you can extract the audio from video online as well, right? So just drag this to this particular place, then click on this export. Then here, instead of MP4, select MP3 and export this audio. Right? Then click on open folder, and this is that particular audio, right? So if you want to listen, just click over here.
एक बार की बात है, बीरबल दरबार में मौजूद नहीं.
Got it. So in this way, we can do unlimited voiceover using this clipchamp software. Alright? So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.